Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech4Gamers. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can leave the Among Us game. If you want to leave an ongoing game in Among Us that you've joined into, then here's how you do it. First of all, open up the Among Us game and then from the main game page, you will need to find the gear button at the top right. After you do that, you will see the leave game option or the return to game option. Tap on leave game and there you have been redirected to the main lobby. Leaving mid-game may affect your stats and can be seen as unfair to other players in public lobbies, but that is how you can easily exit the game if you ever need to know how you can do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Among Us tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.